Pan-fried mushrooms are a simple, flavorful, and versatile side dish, perfect for accompanying meat dishes or enjoyed just with some good crusty bread. Here's how to prepare delicious Italian-style pan-fried mushrooms. Ingredients: 500 grams fresh mushrooms, such as button, porcini, or mixed, 2 garlic cloves, fresh parsley to taste, 4 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, salt to taste, black pepper to taste, lemon juice optional. Preparation: clean the mushrooms using a damp cloth or a brush to remove any soil residues. Avoid washing them under running water because they absorb water and lose flavor. Slice the mushrooms or leave them whole if they are small. Peel the garlic cloves and chop them finely. In a large skillet, heat the extra virgin olive oil and add the chopped garlic. Sauté over medium heat for a few minutes until golden. Add the mushrooms, increase the heat, and let them cook, stirring occasionally. During cooking, the mushrooms will release their natural water. Continue cooking until all the water has evaporated and the mushrooms are nicely golden. At this point, lower the heat and season with salt and pepper to taste. If desired, you can add a bit of lemon juice for a touch of freshness. Transfer the mushrooms to a serving plate and sprinkle with chopped fresh parsley before serving. Curiosities: mushrooms are a highly appreciated food in Italian cuisine and can be prepared in many ways. Pan frying enhances their flavor and makes them a light and tasty side dish or main course. Always remember to choose fresh, high-quality mushrooms, as the result of the dish depends greatly on the ingredients. For an even richer variation, you could add a drizzle of truffle cream or a pinch of chili during cooking. Enjoy!